Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thanks for stopping by and watching. So in this spray paint art video, I'm going to be using Montana Gold spray paint to show you how it works and what it's like when doing spray paint art. The Montana Gold spray paint is Montana's premium spray paint in their range. It has a semi-gloss finish, comes in a 400ml can, has a low pressure valve system and comes with a stock Montana Gold cap. It has over 210 colours in the range, including fluorescent and transparent paints. Its lacquer base is NC acrylic, and in the UK the Montana Gold costs around £4.40 a can. So for this spray paint art video, I'm just going to be using the stock cap that comes with the cans. I'm going to be using Shock White, Yoke, which is yellow, Brick, which is red, and Shock Black. And I'll be spraying on a 45 by 32 centimetre gloss card, which is 350 GSM. I also have planned to do a few more videos where I test and try different makes of paint out, so just keep an eye on my channel for new videos. I've already done a couple of videos where I've tested out the other spray paints in Montana's range. You can find them here in the cards and also in the description box below. So I hope you'll enjoy and find this spray paint art video helpful, and if so, give it a thumbs up and please share with your friends and family. And also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, thanks for stopping by and watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it'd be very much appreciated. Right then guys, the first thing you want to do with these cans is give them a good shake for at least 2 minutes a can. And once you've given them a good shake, take the cap off and pull the donut that's underneath it. That's only there to stop the cap pressing down in transit and spraying the paint everywhere. I'll just set this to one side for now. And what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to spray a line down this piece of card here to show you how the stock cap sprays out. So I'll just grab the black and spray it onto a spare piece of card first to get some of the paint through. So that's the paint through, so I'll give it a try down here. I'll just set that to one side. So as you can see on here, the cap has done like a skinny-ish line there, but either side of it there's a bit of overspray. So I'll just pick it up and show you. If you can see it better there, just either side there's a bit of overspray. So I'll set that one to one side for now. And I'll give it a go with the stock caps and see how it turns out. So the first thing you want to do is just grab your colour and go around your stencils to do an outline. Like so. So I'll just put these out of the way for a minute. And now just get your colours and we're going to fill in the outlines now. So like so. Bit of red. Bit of yellow, bit more red, bit of yellow there. I'll get some black at the bottom, we'll get some white, like so, and then grab your bag or paper, whatever you're going to use to make your texture with. Give it a bit of a crunch up so you get some lines in it to make some texture on your planet, and then just place it down and give it a rub. Like so. Pull that bit off down there, like that. So now what we're going to do is do highlights and shadows. So grab your white, and we'll just put a bit of highlighting. Like so. And now the black at the bottom. Like that. So we'll leave that to dry now. We'll move on to this one. The same again. Get your colours. Bit of red. Bit of yellow. Got a bit more red. Put a bit of black in there like that. And just a spot of white. And grab your paper or bag or whatever you're using for your texture. I'll just do some texture on this one. So I'll do for that one, I'll just strain it back up like that. Now just some highlights and shadows again. So grab the black and the white, like so, and then we're going on to a small one. So bit of red, bit of yellow. I'm just going to do that one all black. And just lightly press that on. Like so. So a bit of shadow and highlights for this one. Bit there. And a bit there. So what you want to do now is you want to leave these to completely dry before you put your lid stencils back on, so the lid stencils don't stick to the paint. So I'll leave these to dry and I'll be back with you once they're dry. Right then, I'm back now guys, and these are dry. So what we'll do is we'll grab the lid stencils and put them on where you want them to go. So I'll put that one there. I'll put that one there. And that one there. I'm just going to put some weight on them to stop any overspray going underneath the lids. This is why I say make sure it's completely dry and then the lids won't stick to them. So I'll put one there, one there. And a couple of weights there. So what you want to do now is grab your black and fill all the background with black. Like so. And what I'm going to do is just going to add a bit of colour into the background. So use a bit of red, but I'm not going to be pressing R down on these caps, just very lightly. Get a bit of a mist effect. Like so. And then just to a yellow. Like so. Just add a bit of red into it a bit. A bit more red. I'll just put a bit of black in places, just take a bit of a colour out. A bit more yellow in it, I think. So before I put the stars in, if you have a look on the painting, you can see lots of dots of paint everywhere from the yellow and red. So when I was pressing down the stock cap lightly and the paint was coming out, I was also pushing out dots of paint everywhere. So I just thought I'd show you that. So now I'll put some stars in. So grab your white paint and just flick a few stars on here and there. Add a few more. Few more there. there like that. So I'll just wipe this white paint off my fingers. And then we'll take the weights off, the lids, like so. And I'll take the lids off, so I'll take this one off first, that one. And then that one. And then this one. So what I'm going to do now is just sign it. So then guys, I think the plan has turned out really well on this one. And the colours are nice and bright, and I like how the background looks as well on it. So first of all, I'd just like to say that these are my own thoughts about the Montana Gold spray paint. So I think the Montana Gold spray paint overall is great to use, and the low pressure valve system gives you real good can control when doing spray paint art. The choice of colours in the Montana Gold range are really good too, with lots of different shades of each colour to choose from, and it's also fast drying. The only negative thing about the Montana Gold spray paint is, when doing spray paint art, the stock Montana Gold cap sometimes spits dots of paint out when spraying. But I just change the cap to a skinnier cap and it stops spitting out dots of paint and works great then. So I hope you found this spray paint art video helpful and enjoyed watching it, and if so, give it a thumbs up and please share with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. And also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, thanks for stopping by. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it'd be very much appreciated. And as always, thank you for stopping by and watching. I hope to see you all in the next spray paint art video. Have a great day, take care, and bye for now.